Folks, welcome back to the Limpiar cleaning channel. Today, we're talking about something we all want: a clean house without breaking the bank. Yes, you heard it right, affordable house cleaning right here in Dallas. Let's Devane, who doesn't love a clean home, right? But sometimes it feels like hiring a cleaning service might burn a hole in your pocket. Well, not anymore. Limpiar is here to make quality house cleaning affordable for everyone. At Limpiar, we understand that cleanliness shouldn't cost a fortune. That's why we offer affordable house cleaning services tailored to your needs. It's about giving you a sparkling home without the hefty price tag. Just check out what our happy customers have to say. Quality cleaning that doesn't break the bank. That's the Limpiar promise. So, what do you get with our affordable house cleaning services? Well, you get a dedicated team of professionals who know their stuff. We use top-notch cleaning supplies and techniques to make your home shine. Watch the magic happen, from chaos to cleanliness. It's like having your own cleaning fairy, but without the fairy dust price tag. Ready to experience affordable house cleaning with Limpiar? Here's what you need to do. Download the Limpiar cleaning app right now. It's your ticket to a clean home at a price that won't make you cringe. The app is user-friendly, and with just a few taps, you can schedule a cleaning that fits your budget. No hidden FEs, no surprises, just quality on a budget. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. If you're as excited as we are about affordable house cleaning, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more cleaning tips and tricks. Until next time, happy cleaning.